It's all his. Karan's been really great. He's handled it beautifully. I mean, when he told me, you came to Pune? पूना आके बुढ़ू ने कहानी बताया मेरे को, बोले कि ये दो बड़े का बाप बनने गए. वो बोला आसान है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जब तक तू है तो मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Because I had seen a bit of his film Agnipath and I really liked it. He was fantastic. He's a giant of a director. You got to watch him. What he's got out of me, I think बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने कुछ 150 डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया लाइफ में, मगर करण बाबा का जगह स्थान बहुत खड़ा है. Bravo, my brother. Thank you so much.
मेरा काम रिसर्च करना नहीं था अपने लुक पे, मेरा काम था रिसर्च करना मार्शल आर्ट पे. रिसर्च करना मेरे लुक पे मेरे डायरेक्टर का काम था, तो उन्होंने किया.
Actually, being on set with Akshay sir is like being in a Punjabi joke book. मतलब हर घंटे और आधे जोक्स में बता भी नहीं था बाकी लोगों को, बिकॉज थोड़े बहुत नॉन वेज भी होते हैं, तो
थोड़े बहुत नहीं,
पूरे हाँ करेक्ट. सो आई थिंक इनकी जो वोकैबुलरी है पंजाबी में, इनसे पंजाबी सीखता जरूर.
I think he has done so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing, but this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of, different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also, but this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, the man who works more harder than me.
Not at all, because you knew everything, sir. So it was not at all hard for him. It was very easy for him because he's been kicking and punching since I've seen all your films. I mean, खिलाड़ी के ज़माने से आप.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me of my age.
बड़े भैया.
I think the audience predominantly is ready for good content, and I think you present that in any kind of genre, it'll always resonate with an audience. I recently, if you see this, the films that have done well, even in the recent past, it's always content overriding anything else. Similarly, I think whether it is Brothers or the previous works of Dharma Productions, what I react to is always as a cinegoer. And to me, as a cinegoer, for me, Hindi cinema has always meant, a certain syntax of emotion that I hope, always connects. So even Brothers, when Karan narrated the brilliant adaptation that Ekta had written to me for Brothers, the one thing, the core connect, I don't know anything about mixed martial arts, and I can't pretend to know. Just the way these men fight is something I would never be able to direct a film like this. I'm incapable. But what I did resonate with was the deep emotion the film has. It has a very strong emotional connect. In fact, it's Jacqueline in an avatar that you have not seen before. She and Akshay and Sid and Jackie have these at opposite poles of actually emotion that all come together efficiently. So all four of them actually have done work that they've never done before. And that emotional connect is the soul and the whole of Brothers. More than the action, it's the emotion that overrides it. It's a film that actually deeply connects with a vast audience, I believe.
Firstly, I would like to clarify one thing, that it's not a boxing ring, it's MMA, mixed martial arts. So the film is not a boxing film per se, it's about mixed martial arts. And the ring that has been constructed is an authentic design for the ring in which mixed martial arts happen world over.
मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी obviously because मेरा background नहीं है सर की तरह. तो मैंने तकरीबन 4 महीने सिर्फ वही किया और कुछ नहीं किया. फिर लुक पे काम किया थैंक्स टू आलिम जिन्होंने किया, और करण मल्होत्रा के रेफरेंस से वी ट्राइड अ न्यू लुक. पहली बार इतनी बड़ी दाढ़ी और बज़ just to make it convincing, पहले से अलग दिखना था. करण मल्होत्रा का ये था कि he wanted to balance it out. अक्षय सर 10 किलो घटाएंगे तो मैं 10 किलो बढ़ाऊंगा, तो वही कोशिश थी. सर आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे कम करने के लिए, मैं बढ़ाने में लगा था.
Yeah, for sure, because I'm not a mom, and and it wasn't also your ordinary situation or an ordinary family. It went a lot more dramatic and it got a lot more deeper than that. So it's a young mother's struggle with her husband and her daughter.
I think मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा था ये भी कि to be reach the right film, and as Akshay will himself agree कि इससे better picture नहीं हो सकती थी for Dharma Productions to kind of liaise with Akshay Kumar with. I think this was a film that Akshay also really wanted to do. We really wanted Akshay. I think he was an indispensable casting, and I think Karan Malhotra will agree that he's had the best experience with Akshay on this film, with all the actors on this stage, I think. And Akshay truly, in a sense, when you see the film, you'll know that this is Akshay Kumar like never before. And I'm very proud and very honored to have worked with Akshay Kumar on Brothers.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.